Welcome to City University Ajman tutorial on how to access your student exam browser. Please go to CUA website for you to be able to access your student portal by clicking on the login icon. Kindly enter your username and your password by filling in your login credentials and click on the Sign In button. Here you will be directed to your UMS portal, where you will be able to find the Moodle Learning Management icon. Kindly click on that icon and you will be directed to your dashboard that gives you an overview of your registered courses. Please select the course according to your scheduled examination, and you can move forward by clicking on the test exam link. Here you will be directed to this page where you can start the download process of your lockdown browser. You may click on this link if it is your first time to download the lockdown browser. Now, automatically, the file of the lockdown browser will begin to download on your PC, and it will just take a few seconds. Now please note that you only have to download the lockdown browser one time, and you can use it throughout the whole examination period. Once the download is complete, we can just click on this file. And now the lockdown browser setup will begin. In this process, we just have to run and install the lockdown browser on our PC or computers. Click on Next. Now the installation process has begun. Once it's finished, we can just click on the Finish button. Now we are ready to launch our lockdown browser. We'll just click on this link and we can open the lockdown browser. Now the lockdown browser will begin to appear on our screens. So it says here Respondus Lockdown Browser. We can begin by clicking on the Start Quiz button. Here you will be directed to a page for verification checks, and it is mandatory to complete the following startup verifications. So that will be from Step 1 to Step 9. Step 1. Terms of Use. Kindly read through the terms and conditions of the lockdown browser, and once you have understood everything completely, you may move forward by clicking on the Agree button. Now, Step 2 is the webcam check. So this is just to verify that your webcam is working, and as soon as you can see an image on the screen, you can just click on the button Yes. Now, it is mandatory to record a 5-second video of yourself, and this is just part of the verification process. We can now start by clicking on the Record 5-second video button. Please wait and you will be able to see a playback video of yourself. Once you can see this playback video, you can just click on the Continue button. Now to the secondary camera verification. Press Continue, set up second camera. Scan the QR code using your mobile phone. Give permission from your phone, then press I'm ready. Confirm that the video preview on your second device is visible and correctly positioned. Make sure Do Not Disturb is enabled, and keep the video preview topmost for the entire exam. Press Continue. We can now move forward to step number 3, which is additional instructions. Make sure the phone is placed on the side of your desk and that the camera has a clear view of you throughout the exam. Kindly read through this section thoroughly as well. Once you've understood everything, please continue by clicking on this icon below. Step number 4 is a series of guidelines and tips. Number 1. Select a quiet location where you won't be interrupted or distracted. Please read through this information as well. Step number 2. Make sure your internet connection is consistent and strong. Step number 3. Place your computer or device on a flat, hard surface, such as a table or desk, and sit in a chair during the exam. Step number 4. To improve the quality of your webcam video and reduce flags, remember the following. Don't wear sunglasses or hats, take the exam in a well-lit room, and avoid backlighting. Step number 5. We just require a student photo from your side. This is also part of the verification process, so all you have to do is once you're ready, you can just click on the Take Picture button. Once you can see your image, you can just proceed by clicking on the Continue button. Then proceed to step number 6, which is to show your identification card or student ID. You can do that by taking your student identification card and placing it towards the camera. And it must be in a readable position. So once you're ready, just click on the Take Picture button. And as soon as that's done, you can just click on the Continue button below. Now moving on to step number 7. This is an environment check where you need to capture a video of your surroundings. Starting from the left side frame, going towards the right side of the frame, and you need to capture your keyboard area as well. So as soon as you're ready, you can just click on the Start Recording Video button. Now it's connected and now it's recording. So we can start from the left side going to the right side. So as soon as that's finished, we can just click on Stop Recording. So a playback video will also appear on your screen. So once that's done, just click on the Continue button. Step number 8 is a facial detection check. This is just to verify that your webcam is working and is connected successfully. As soon as you can see the successful verification icon here, you can just proceed by clicking on the Continue button below. And step number 9, which is the final step, we can now start to begin the exam by clicking on the Begin Exam button. Here, the content of the examination will now appear, and you can just attempt each question accordingly. Once that's done, you can just click on the Finish Attempt button below. And this is just a verification that you've answered all of the questions and you've attempted everything. Once you've verified that, you can just click on Submit All and then Finish. Now you will be directed to a feedback form where you can provide your comments and personal experiences by typing it here in this text box, or you can just click on the options here. So once that's done, you can just finish it off by clicking on the Submit button. After answering the feedback form, you will be directed to this page where you will see the icon Finished, which means that you have completed your exam. Afterwards, you can now exit the browser by clicking on the Exit Browser button.